What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Right Hustle. My name is Edward, and today we're going to be opening up this box and probably the other box. I ordered some DSs and PSPs off of eBay. These were sold as is. Let me see if I can bring up the listings on my computer. Let me pause you guys because I can't do it with one hand. Alright, so I got the listings up. One was for regular DSs and the other one was for some PSPs. I ended up paying $74.15 for the PSPs and $41 for the DSs. So let's go ahead and check this out real quick. Let me open this sucker up. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Maybe not. Trying to open up my blade without cutting myself. I should have done this before. Things I learn when I'm doing YouTube videos. But I think I can do it. There it goes. Yes. Alright. So here we go. Can I do it with one hand? That is the question. Now, I'm going to pause you guys. You know what? I'm going to stand you guys right here. Excuse my mess. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall. Alright, so you can kind of see that I'm not BSing here. I'm opening up the box. Always try to cut away from you guys. Never try to cut towards you. That's how you end up getting cut. I think these are the PSPs, so I'm pretty excited to get these open. Alright, there we go. Let me grab you guys back and bring you back to my hand. Okay, what do we got here? We got some writing paper. Okay, it worked, you know. I'm going to reduce, reuse, recycle and use those papers again for shipping. What's supposed to be for? I'm gonna put you over here. Excuse my mess, guys. This is my office slash shipping center slash repair center slash sleeping quarters. All right, here we go. Well, they're packaged pretty well. Seeing here that they have no batteries. Now, I'm gonna click into the auction and see if that's the way it was, as I don't remember. I guess there was just one picture. Yeah, that doesn't seem right though, guys. Like, okay, see original listing. Yeah, okay, none of them have battery covers, and it looks like 2 of them haven't been opened and 2 of them have. All right, once again, like I said, one-handed. Here we go. I do have Enzo, my stand. I'm probably gonna grab him right now so I can start taking a look at these and have my hands free. Oh, that's a slim. That's a newer model. Oh, that's cool. I'll take slims. They sell for more money. 2 slims. All right, let's go ahead and grab Enzo over here. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. There's really not enough room. Set you guys on Enzo. I guess that's a decent little area to look at. Oh, Enzo, get off my bubble wrap. Okay. I should have a working battery somewhere around here. Hope it's close by because I don't remember anything where anything is at. Let me check my bag here. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. I don't think I have a battery, guys, with me here. There's a couple of cassettes. No battery. Okay, no battery. Let me go find a battery. Alright, I found a game. And my PSP is charging. I think it's charging. Oh, I have an adapter. We can just plug in the PSPs that we're going to test. Alright, so let's just go ahead and grab, let's say, this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the game. Sorry guys, I'm putting the game, and we're gonna put in the power button, and nothing. Well, that's good. That's got full sound. Oh, it's in Spanish. And the X button does not work. That's why they left it like this. Okay, we can fix that. That's a good start. Good screen. This is a 3001 model, so that's awesome. Let me turn the light back on. Much better. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see 3001 model right up top. All right, so that one just needs a battery. I mean, the button replaced. That is freaking awesome. That is an easy fix. I can probably just clean that out. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and write that on there, that it just needs the X button fixed. So I use masking tape. Guys, this is great when you're doing repairs, because you can put it pretty much anywhere on the system and it won't hurt it. If you use anything else, it might stick to the screen. So it's better just to use masking tape. That's what I use. All right, so we got our first console checked and put it over there. Let's grab this one. This one has been opened before. As you guys can see, there's another warranty sticker on there. This is a 1001 model. And we're gonna plug it in and hope for the best. I got nothing. Oh, wait. We got some power? Yeah. It's a little dirty on the inside. That's not a big deal. It's not reading the disc. So what we're gonna do, I figured that was gonna happen. I'm gonna fire it up without. Excuse me. Sometimes there's a lot of dust in there, in the gaming tray. Yeah, it seems to have a short with the game disc. Now let me see if I can press a button. Okay, this one's not working either. X button also. Not a big deal. That can be fixed. Alright. Let me put it on there. That the X button is toast. Also, it didn't seem like it was reading the disc. What I do, let's try to do it right now so you guys can see. This is how I get most of these. I'd say about 75% of them working. So we're gonna need some rubbing alcohol. All right, and grab a Q-tip. Just a Q-tip. We're gonna grab some alcohol, and then we're gonna clean out the laser. And I'll do that so you guys can see the best I can, because I'm in a small constricted area. But the laser is right in there, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna rub that down. Rub it gently. You do not want to put pressure on that, because that's what reads your disc. Alright, just rubbing it gently. And then if you want, you can dry it with the other side. I usually just dry it like that. Okay, and then we can try the game again. Maybe it'll fix it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Let's just give it a little whirl. It might. I hear it very faintly spinning, so that means, to me, that means that it's probably a bad laser. I can hear it. It's like trying to spin. So what I'll do with this one, it's got a good screen, it's got a good motherboard. I can use it for parts, strip it for parts, sell it for parts, or I can get that laser fixed. I think the better option is to strip it for parts. People need motherboards when they're doing repairs, and you know, motherboard and a screen is worth a little bit of money. So we're done with that one. Unfortunately, we didn't get it to work. This is our next console. This one's never been opened, so that's a good thing. All right, we're gonna pop in our. I just noticed something right now. It's got some major damage right here. This has been messed with before. I don't know. I guess they broke it You guys can see that. I guess they broke it. They were trying to open it, I guess. But let's see if it does anything. Yeah, shattered screen. Yeah, from the force, you can tell right here from the force that's where they broke it. That's so sad. Might have a good laser. I know this the casing is shot. Can't really tell if the laser is working or not. Yeah, it was spinning, so more than likely it's gonna work. I'd have to take this guy completely apart and check to see if that laser works. But for now, that one was really messed up. Poor console. Let me write out my notes on this real quick, and then we'll jump to the next one. And when I say jump to the next one, we're jumping to the last one. This is our last one for the day. This one also has not been opened. This is an original model. I'll go ahead and put the game in there. Original model. And seal's still there. And here we go. Got power. Got a dead screen. I heard the disc moving. So we can pull parts from this one. I know for sure this X button works. We can pull the parts from this one to make one of the other ones work. And that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to end up making 2 out of the 4. Excuse me. And then the other ones we'll sell for parts. And do it again. Buy more. Sell. And just keep going. So this one's a winner, guys. As far as the the motherboard. Unfortunately, that's a little messed up on the screen, but I could also probably sell this one just the way it is, and it would bring in a decent amount of money. Okay, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. If you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends, and we will see you guys next time.